Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Figma for no-code UI prototyping, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type Figma into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Figma website link in the search results. Once on the Figma homepage, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will be presented with several sign-up options. You can choose to sign up using your Google account, or you can enter your email address. If opting for the email method, type your email into the provided field. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. After entering your password, click on the Sign Up button again. Figma will send you a verification email. Check your email inbox for an email from Figma and open it. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the Figma website. Log into your account using your email and password. Now that you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the Figma dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see your projects, as well as options to create new ones. To take advantage of Figma's complete features, consider subscribing to a plan. Locate the Pricing tab in the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on Pricing to view the available subscription options. You will find various plans, including a free tier and paid options. Evaluate the features of each plan to determine which best fits your needs. If you decide on a paid plan, click on the desired option for more details. Review the payment terms and included features before proceeding. You may need to enter your payment information at this point. Fill out the required fields accurately with your payment details. After entering your information, click Confirm Subscription to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email outlining your subscription details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.